Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to access FanDuel but it is not available on your country and you want to access it, so you can get a VPN that is SurfShark. So SurfShark can help you to access your FanDuel from your location. So first thing you have to do is simply go to the SurfShark VPN. You can search for the SurfShark VPN. You can find the official website from here. So you can simply click on it, and from here you can find Get SurfShark VPN, or you can find this download application from here, or you can simply click on download here, download for Chrome. Here you can search for it, or other thing you can do is simply click on your profile icon at the top. Click on this three dot button at the top right corner, and from here you can find the extension option here. So here you can find visit Chrome web store. You can go to the web store. Just because of I'm accessing the FanDuel from my Chrome browser or any type of browser, that's why I'm going to install this SurfShark extension to use SurfShark for accessing the FanDuel. So simply I'm at the Chrome web store. Now here I'm going to search for SurfShark VPN extension. So you can find the extension from here. So simply click on it. Now you have to simply click on add to Chrome. Now it will add it to your Chrome. Simply click on add extension, and it will add to your extension where you can find the puzzle icon where you can find the VPN, the SurfShark. So you can see that it is downloading the CRX file, that is the extension file. So you have to wait until it's complete download this file from here. So once it's completed to download the extension and install it on your Google Chrome browser, then you will be able to access it. So here you can see it is already added. Now you have to do is follow this instruction, that you have to pin the instruction and allow in incognito, and simply add your account here, log into your account. So when you click on it, you can find first you have to log into your account. So I'm going to continue with my Google account from here. Now you can see here is the SurfShark. So sign into your account. Sign into your account here. So once you are choose your Google account, then simply click on continue. And you can find it is just getting your account, and it will be enabled, and you have to simply pin this here. So when you have pinned it, you can simply click on it, and you can use any location you want. You can simply use this quick connect button, and it will change your location and IP address so you can access FanDuel. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.